Hello and welcome to Hack with Akshay. So, in this video, we are going to solve one more question. So, we got the question like how to remove duplicated elements from an given array. So, as you can see, we have an input array. So, the number is being repeated. You can see for every element. So, we need to remove this duplication. How we can do that? So first of all, we need to create an output variable. Just write const and output dot. So here we are going to use the filter function. So filter is an inbuilt function which will return a new constructed array. So what logic we will put into it? Filter containing two parameters. One is the elements which will be iterated one by one, and the next parameter you can say is the index. So the third parameter you can say is the self-contained array. We can say as self. Now we have to check for every element whether the index is same for every element or not. Just we need to put return and then self. Self is the self-containing array dot. So here we are going to use the index of function. So the index of function will be search for every element index. So we are passing el as an each iterated element. After that, what logic will be put in between? We will do double equal to and then index. So just we need to do console log and then output. We are going to run this code. Here you can see the duplication is being removed. So the logic behind is that we are checking self. So self is the self-containing array. So this array we are going to check the index. The index of every element is same, then only return the that element to the output. So the second method what we can do is just create a traditional for loop. In that for loop what we are going to do, just replace this array with input. So as you can see we have a let index. So let index is being started from 0 to the length of the input, and the input is being incremented one by one. So whatever the element is being iterated for every index is being containing in the elements. Now the logic we will use is just like the same we have used in the filter. Just we need to write self input dot index of element equal to index. So now here we will get all the non-repeated values. So what we are going to do, we are going to create one variable which will hold each non-repeated elements. So we have created an output variable as an array, and this array will store each and every element one by one. Just we need to write console log output. Run the code. As you can see, we got the same output as we got with the help of filter. That's it. We have solved one more question. Hope you have understood the logic. Let's meet in another